In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert word art in Google Slides. This handy feature can really spice up your presentations and make your text pop, adding that extra flair that regular text sometimes lacks. So, let's dive in and find out how to do it. First, make sure you've got your Google Slides presentation open and ready. If you haven't opened it yet, just go to slides.google.com and click on the presentation where you'd like to add word art. Once you have that ready, let's begin the actual process. To insert word art, head over to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Look for and hover over the word art option. Clicking on this will prompt a text box to appear right in the middle of your slide. This is where you can start typing the text you want to stand out with word art. Once you start typing, hit Enter, or click anywhere outside the text box, and you'll notice your text is automatically transformed into word art. It's at this point you can start having some fun with your text, tweaking and adjusting it to fit your presentation's theme. Now, let's focus on customizing your word art. Click on the word art text box to select it, and you'll notice a few options appear on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you can change the font by selecting your preferred style from the font drop-down menu. You can also adjust the font size if you want your word art to make a big impression or keep it more subtle. Once you're happy with the text size and font, feel free to play with the color. Simply click on the Fill tool, which looks like a little paint bucket, to change the inside color of your text. Remember, you can also change the outline color using the Border Color tool right next to it. This can help your words really pop against your slide's background. If you'd like to go a step further, try the Border Weight tool to adjust the thickness of your text's outline, or even the Border Dash tool if you feel like adding a dotted or dashed outline to your word art. And there you have it. Once your word art is ready, you might need to adjust its placement. Just click and drag it to your desired spot on the slide. You can also resize your word art by clicking and dragging the little blue squares around its edges. That's it for today's guide on inserting word art in Google Slides. By following these steps, you should be able to create eye-catching text that enhances your presentation. Remember, experimenting with these tools is key, so don't hesitate to explore the different customization options available to make your word art truly unique. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.